Hey guys, what's up? Hawkeye Fan 11100 here, bringing you some Nuketown gun game gameplay. Yeah, I don't have enough for like high roller or anything, so I'm just playing regular ant up. And let's do this. Let's kill some peoples. And yes, I said peoples. Awesome Python kill. Now going for Makarov. Oh, fail. Come on, where are you? Where'd you go? 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 Die. Come on. Spaz 12. Come on. Spaz 12. Yes. Come on. We're on a roll. Well, I'm on a roll. Oh god. Yes. Ah, oh, dang it. Come on, let's do this. Okay, let's. Ah, oh, dang it. Crap. Now that one dude's tied with me. Come on, don't get a kill with the Scorpion. Yes. Dang it. Okay. Come on. Oops. Running into a wall. Fail. Sorry about that. I was like checking the camera at the same time, so. Oh god. Where'd that dude come from? Don't. Ah! Oh, okay, at least he didn't knife me, though. That would have been bad. Die. HK21. Ah! No setbacks. Aw. Yes. Ah. It's weird. Every time I get a kill, I die. Not every time, but. Okay, now we're on the L96A1. It's quick scope. Fucking lag. Dang it. Oh, headshot. Let's try to kill the dude. Yes. Ah. Okay, 16 out of 20. Grim Reaper. Yes. I'm 7-2 law. Yes. Usually I suck with them 7-2 law. Crossbow time. Ah! Dang it, stop moving! Did I stick him? Nope. Of course I did. Come on. Where are you? Stop moving! Gosh dang it. Oh. Wow, of course, when I'm on the crossbow, I just keep dying. Come on. Stuck. Die. Oh my god. Wow, that dude's on the Scorpion. He's probably way behind. Die. Oh my freaking god. Sorry about getting angry, guys, but you guys might think this is pretty funny, but oh god. Stay still. Really? Fudge you. Stop moving. Oh my god. Okay, at least it's China Lake. It's gonna be easy kill, easy kill. Come on. Yes! Duck! Ah. Come on, where'd you go? There you are. Oh, wow. Come on. Ah. Shit. Back here. Oh, wow. That's stupid. Okay, come on. Let's kill somebody. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yes! That was like an amazing kill. Well, that was my first gun game commentary, and I won. So, peace out, guys.